Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 4. Me Samra Rashid, your science teacher here in BFC Nushair Afroz. Dear students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. Dear students, welcome back to our science class. Dear students, today we are going to revise exercise number 1, 2, 3 and 4. ओके बेटा, ये एक्सरसाइज हमने अपनी क्लास में भी की थी। आज हम ये एक्सरसाइज रिवाइज़ कर रहे हैं। अगर किसी स्टूडेंट ने ये एक्सरसाइज अपनी बुक पे नहीं की हुई तो आपको क्या करना है, ये एक्सरसाइज अपनी बुक पे सॉल्व करनी है और मेमोराइज़ करनी है। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1 इज़ चूज़ द करेक्ट आंसर। 1 is which of the following is not a state of matter? So dear students, oil is not a state of matter. Okay, everything on earth is made up of tiny particles. Ice water and water vapors are made of water particles. Which type of matter has a fixed shape and a fixed volume? So dear students, solid. Solid has a fixed shape and a fixed volume. Okay, when wood is burned and turned into ash, what type of change has taken place? So dear students, it is chemical change. Fill in the blanks. First is matter is made up of particles. The particles in a solid are packed very closely together. Okay. Third is the particles in a liquid are packed loosely together. They can flow. In a gas, the space between the particles are bigger. Dear students, third exercise is match the definition with column A to the column B. Okay, a change in which new substance are formed is called chemical change. A change of state but no new substance are formed is called physical change. Okay, everything in the world that has mass and occupies space is called matter. Dear student, fourth exercise is mark the sentence with true or false. First is particles move. It's true. Yes, particles move. Second is particle in a gas are packed tightly together. Dear students, it's wrong. Okay, a liter of water is more when it is in a 5-liter container. Dear students, it is also false. 4 is particles in orange juice are packed less closely than in orange ice slowly. Dear students, it is true. Ice melt into a gas. Dear students, it is false. So dear students, now today's your homework is solve exercise number 1, 2, 3 and 4 on book page number 65 and 66 and also memorize exercise number 1 to 4. ओके बेटा, आपको एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1 to 4 मेमोराइज़ करनी है और इसका टेस्ट करना है और ग्रुप में आपको इसकी पिक्चर सेंड करनी है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, वी विल बी कंटिन्यू अवर नेक्स्ट क्लास टुमारो. ओके, थैंक यू. अल्लाह हाफिज़.